Hello friends, this is the guide to getting the free VPS from a broker. So the broker is Com. I believe they are based in Europe. So the only requirement is to deposit at least $50 or equivalent. For Canadian dollars, it should be around $75. Initially, I deposited 100 Canadian dollars. So this VPS is for your automated trading. You can use this to install MT4 or MT5 and attach an expert advisor for the robot trading. So I also intended this to use for Trade Locker. You can connect your Trade Locker to MT4 using a copier. So to get the free VPS, you have to open an account, fill in all the input boxes information, and then just follow the prompts. When you're done with the registration, you will get an email. Then the next thing to do is click on verification. You will have to verify your email. They will send you a link. Just have to click on it, and then you have to upload proof of residence and proof of identity. For proof of residence, you have to have utility bill or bank account statement. You have to upload it. For proof of identity, you can use your driver's license or passport, and then you're done. And then when your registration is verified, go back to switchmarkets.com, click on client login, put the email address that you used to register, and the password is in the email that they sent you. Then click the verify you're human and click on login. Next, you have to enter the authorization code that was sent to your email. Just copy that and paste it here. So after you log in, click on open live account, select the second one, ECN MT4, and then you can leave the leverage as is, or you can lower it to 500. That's what I use. Currency, you can change it to Canadian dollars. Then click on continue. So I'm not going to click on continue because I already have an account. But when you do, there's another button that you have to press. It's another continue button. Then it will send an email to you with your account number and the password for that account. It's a 6-digit account number. So after creating the account, you will have to deposit. So when you have created the account, go to accounts overview, then click on deposit. To deposit, you can use Interact, MasterCard, or bank transfer. Some people tried crypto, but it's a little complicated. It doesn't work, so but you can still try that. For Interact, it's immediate, almost immediate, so it takes about 15 minutes. For Visa and MasterCard, I believe it's the same. For bank transfer, it may take several days. There are also NetTeller and Skrill, but I've not tried this one. I've only tried Interact. So once you have deposited the money, it will reflect in the balance. Wait for it to reflect in the balance. That's when you can create the free VPS. So to get the free VPS, when the balance is at least 50 US dollars or equivalent to Canadian dollars, you can already get the free VPS. Just type in switchmarkets.com/activate-free-VPS. So here you can enter the email address that you used and the MT4 account number. This is the 6 digits MT4 number. Click by completing this form. I give my consent to the processing of my personal data, so just check that and then click next. So when it's successful, it will let you know. It will tell you if it's successful or if it failed. So once that is set, you will receive an email with the information regarding the VPS. All you need to do is click on the RDP link, and that will download the remote desktop link for the VPS. This is the sample email from the VPS provider, Forex VPS. It contains the username, password, and the link for the VPS. So click on this, it will download the file. Look for that file. Usually it's in my downloads folder. Double click the downloaded file. Usually it's in the downloads folder. Then you will launch your VPS. Then a new box will pop up asking for a username and the password. So the VPS would look like this. It's basically a remote computer, a virtual computer. So the controls are on top. If you want to minimize this to go back to your desktop, just click on the minimize button. You can close this by clicking on the X. And that's all. So next, I'm going to show you how to install the robot. Bye for now.